Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you the device overview in GridVis Web and the different list functions. You can find the device overview by clicking the Overview button or in the navigation menu. Here you can view all devices that are loaded in your project. You can also customize the overview yourself and create your own lists. On the left you will see the hierarchy area with all the folders and lists that have been created. The devices that have been added to the selected list are displayed in the middle. In the hierarchy settings, you can create, edit and delete folders and lists using the buttons. The folders and lists in the For All Users area are visible to all users. The private area is only visible to you. Elements can also be moved from the private to the public area using drag and drop. If you drag a list from the public to the private area, a copy is created. You can add items to the selected list using the Select Elements button. If you have multiple projects in GridVis, you can also add elements from different projects to a list. An element can also be added to multiple lists. You can set the display time for the list using the list time period. You can use the Sum button to show consumption analysis for energy value columns. The first row shows the total for the entire column. The second row calculates the total for the selected devices. In the filter area, you have various options for further customizing the list. To do this, first activate the Show All Filters option. For example, you can limit which projects or devices are displayed, or only display devices from specific IP address ranges, with a specific connection type, or with a specific serial number. You can also set thresholds for historical measurement and energy values. To do this, the corresponding columns must be displayed in the overview. The columns can be selected and configured using the column selection. In the column selection, you can add the relevant information, measurement values, and energy values to the selected columns area using the plus button or drag and drop. Then you can edit the individual columns. There are different configuration options depending on the kind of column. When configuring columns for displaying measurement values, you can choose between live values or historical values, for example. Energy values can be displayed in a column with different value types. Energy equivalent, costs, CO2 emissions, and emission costs can only be displayed here if they are configured in the device's master data. If you set a different time span for a column, the display time of the list will be overwritten. The graphic representation can also be adjusted for the energy values. The relation bar shows the ratio of the value to the highest value in this column. The proportion bar shows the ratio to the total sum of the column. Using the drop-down menu in the upper right corner, you can assign the selected devices to dashboards or export the entire list as a CSV file. In the individual rows in the list, you can use the three-point menu to remove an item from the list, open the assigned dashboards, open the measurement analysis, and open the device configurator for the device. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.